Hi, my name is Pete, and I'm here to talk to you about how Dr. Mike actually helped me out quite a bit. I had this vertigo thing going on to the point where I was just laid up for a couple days at a time, nauseous. I couldn't really walk straight, none of that stuff. Went to the medical doctor, they gave me some steroids and antibiotics, and none of it helped. So I came to see Dr. Mike, and he looked at my back and adjusted it and noticed how tight my back was, how tight my neck was. And after one adjustment, I was actually so much better. It was incredible to the point where I could actually turn my head and not get dizzy, not be dizzy. Because prior to that, I turned my head and it was just nauseous and dizziness the whole time. So I've had 3 visits now, and each time I get progressively better. So I swear by Dr. Mike, he's great. He actually cured my vertigo, and highly recommend it.